One of the most popular garden questions I'm asked every year is how to turn pale pink hydrangeas to blue. People love blue hydrangeas. It simply starts with the use of Hydrangea Colorant in early spring. If you apply the powder to the base of the hydrangea plant in February or March of next year, that helps to change the pH levels within the soil, and it helps to change the colour of your hydrangeas from a light pale pink to rich red or blue in colour. You simply apply the Hydrangea Colorant around the base of the plant, repeat it about 6 weeks later, and let nature take its course. It's called Hydrangea Colorant, it's easy to apply, and it's great at changing those pink hydrangeas to a fabulous vivid blue. Bye for now.